Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to send file via Bluetooth in Windows 10. Uh, so if you want to send any file via Bluetooth in Windows 10 to any other devices, so first of all just click on the start button. After clicking on the start button, here you will see setting icon. Just click on the setting icon. Now after clicking on the setting icon, here you will see many options. Just click on the devices option to send file. So now click on it. Now here you will see send or receive files via Bluetooth. So if your Bluetooth is not turned on, just turn it on, and you have to connect to that device which you on which you want to send files. If your device is not connected, you cannot select. You have to first of all click on the add or Bluetooth or device and other devices. Now if you have connected, as I have connected, just click on the send or receive files via Bluetooth. Click on it. Now after clicking on it, you will see that in the bottom the pop-up will appear here, or in the bottom you have to click on it to bring the pop-up. Now if you want to send, let's click on the send files. Now after clicking on the send files, you have to select the device on which you want to send. So click on that device and click on the next. And now here you have to click on the browse for going into the folder. Now as I want to send this file, now click on this on that file and click on the open. After clicking on the open, you have to click on the next. Now after clicking on the next, you will see that a pop-up will appear in your phone. So just let it appear and you have to accept there. Now just click on it and you have to accept. Now after accepting, you will see that your Windows 10 is sending the file. So it is sending the file. So like this you can send files in Windows 10. Send files from Windows 10 via Bluetooth to another devices. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.